Please tell me this is not Vietnam. Holy, we're going fast.
They need a 3-ball. LaMelo.
Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're in the Turbo Starlet right now, and in today's video we'll be finally giving this car a wash because this thing is filthy. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a minute, then you guys already know I gotta go hit the courts first. So I'll probably speak to you guys after.
Meanwhile,
So just made it to the chicken spot right now. Look at that. Chicken schnitzel roll with gravy. And then we have these chips which are not normal. Straight out Leo's Grill in Seven Hills. That's my go-to spot. I need to get home so I can eat this. The toast never gets old. Still need to make it louder though. But since we turned the boost up in this car, the car goes a lot better now. There's no lag in the turbo. Well, that was actually pretty quick. We still have a bit of saving to do, but once we're done with the Turbo Starlet, let's just say stay tuned.
2 hours later.
It's time to finally wash the Starlet. This thing is so filthy. But we're still running 8 in this car with no problems. But the Starlet could definitely use a retune, because even though we're running 8 PSI, the car's running so rich. So the tune would definitely balance out the air-fuel ratio. But besides that and a noisy left wheel bearing, this car's actually pretty crazy. And I still have the Sportiva, but I barely drive it after I got the Starlet. So I'm not too sure if I want to sell the white 03 yet. But there is a new car that I have in mind, but I'm just waiting for the right one. But until then, I guess we gotta be grateful with the Turbo Starlet and the white 03. This car definitely isn't slow. The turbo does its job for sure. Because once you're in full boost, stretching like 3rd gear, you're doing like 140. It's insane how light these cars are. Oh my god. Yo, we are going fast. Hey. Far out, man. You know you're in Cabramatta when people start cutting you off. Alright boys, we finally made it to Cabra Car Wash. I really hope no one's here. It's kind of embarrassing driving this car. Okay, don't look. That sounded not normal. Oh no. I left my coins at home. I'ma quickly wash this thing.
Sorry in advance, I don't give a fuck about love, I won't dance. She won't get $1 out the boy, no chance. You gon' lose it all for the bitch, I can't. She was at the telly, throwing it back, no hands. Throw it up, let it fall, I call that the money dance. Goddamn, too much cash, we ran out of rubber bands. Go head up, run it up, I know I'm gon' make it bad. They think I'm young and I'm dumb, so they tryna put it past. She wildin'. 21, she said she straight out of college. Best friend already hit it, she got mileage. Ooh, I can feel it in the air, feel calling. College all she want, I can't blame her. But shawty a thought and I just can't save her. I don't do no favor. Talk to you later. I don't wanna tell you again.
I think that's as clean as we're gonna get it, boys. Let's get out of here. feel like people are so judgmental depending on what car you drive. Like, I remember when I used to rock up to Cabra car wash with my EP3 and all these Honda owners and stuff would come up to me and have a chat. But then now that I drive this turbo Starlet, I drive through Cabra car wash and everyone's giving me mad dirties. Like, what if I had a Lamborghini at home and this was just my daily? But people be judging you off your cars these days. That's why the best thing you can do is be yourself. Why does he have a girlfriend? It's so unfair, man. I gotta change my playlist to the Asian one. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea driving through Cabra. The traffic is so bad. Oh, what's that? Is that a turbo Starlet too? Cabra is always so busy. But it's the closest thing we're gonna get to driving your hectic whip through Vietnam. Ooh, who's this guy? Yo!
What offset you got, bro?
Offset? I don't even know, bro. I'm selling these wheels, but... Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, bro. Alright. Is yours turbo?
Nah, stock, bro. I'll give you my... I'll follow you, you know.
Yeah, no worries.
Should come up,
No worries.
Specialist. I got the red one.
Oh, that one is there?
Oh, yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah, no.
But I got the black ones just because I took them back off.
Oh, yeah?
But they stick out too much.
Yeah, if I sell these, I'll let you know.
Okay, sweet, listen to me.
That was so random, bro. Far out, there's a lot of people today. It must be because of Chinese New Year. Everyone's buying groceries for their dinner parties. Good thing for me, I don't need to buy anything because finding parking today would be a big mission. Come on, man. Everyone wants to cross in front of me, bro. Hey, that was a good dose right there. Everyone's here. There's a lady holding a full pig. Like, I'm not even joking, like a legit full pig. That's how you know it's Chinese New Year. Yep, you can cross in front of me too. I was about to drive, but all goods. You as well, no worries. Yep, you as well, mate. Just don't say I don't owe you any favors. Oh, yep, you with the motorized scooter, you just drive straight through. Yep, no worries. You on the phone? No worries, you can go through as well. Maybe, should I just drive through now? Oof, you love that dose. We could probably fit one more dose through Main Street right now. Oh, and then we have this Asian lady just running straight past. No worries. Alright, I want to get out of here, bro, before we like severely injure someone. Like, we're not even speeding through this place or anything, but the way these people cross the road here, I'm telling you, bro, it's literally like Vietnam. Minus the scooters, but with actual vehicles that could potentially crush you. Alright, please tell me this is not Vietnam. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end, and thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. We actually hit 2,000 subscribers in less than a year, so thank you guys so much for your support. Next goal is 5k subs by the end of the year. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one, because we're finally going to be giving away this X-Force Varax muffler. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new